At exactly 11 a.m., the guns would fall silent. But before that moment, the world had to break. It began with a single gunshot in Sarajevo. One bullet, 2 lives lost, and without realizing it, the world stepped into a war it could never escape. In the summer of 1914, Europe was confident, proud, unprepared, alliances locked together like loaded weapons. Young men marched off smiling, promised glory, promised they'd be home by Christmas. They were wrong. This war was not fought with honor and heroics. It was fought in trenches filled with mud, disease, and fear. Days blurred into nights as shells screamed overhead, and the ground itself shook with death. Machine guns tore through human bodies in seconds. Poison gas rolled silently across the battlefield, burning lungs, stealing sight. Courage no longer mattered. Survival became chance. Millions fought, millions never returned, and empires that had stood for centuries began to wars from the inside. The war reached far beyond the front lines. Factories replaced fields, women replaced men. Letters carried hope, then silence. On the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, the guns finally stopped. The world exhaled, but peace did not mean healing. The land was scarred, the survivors were broken, and the future was already cracking beneath unresolved anger. World War I was meant to end all wars. Instead, it showed humanity how far it could fall.
No paid tools, no subscriptions, no complicated workflow. And yes, the entire documentary was made inside this tutorial itself. So, if you want to create long cinematic documentary style videos using AI without using 100 different tools, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you my complete AI documentary workflow from zero to export. Script writing, voiceover, image creation, animation, editing, background music, and even sound effects. And the best part, we'll do everything using just 2 to 3 AI tools, and it will be 110% free and unlimited. So let's get started. Step 1. Writing the script. Every documentary starts with one thing, a strong script. Now, instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, we'll use AI properly, not copy-paste nonsense. I'll show you how to give the right prompt. So for that, just go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Don't worry about the prompt, I've already pasted this prompt in the description below. And then just choose your topic here and click on Generate. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT is literally creating scene by scene. Once the script is ready, the next step is voiceover. You don't need a studio mic, you don't need paid AI tools. I'll show you how to generate a clean cinematic voiceover and how to fix pacing if it sounds too fast or too flat. So for that, just write, now make a version of the script for voiceover. Now, ChatGPT will give you an optimized script that you can use for voice creation. Now, once done, just copy this script and go to 11labs.io. Don't worry about this, I've already pasted 11 Labs link in the description below. Now just paste your script here. And then the most important part, choosing a good voice. You can check 1 to 2 voice from here.
Life without
I like
love is
this
like a
one.
tree without blossoms or fruit.
I'm gonna select the Callium voiceover. And then just click on Generate Speech. And wait while 11 Labs creates the best voiceover possible for your script. Now, once done, just pause the voiceover and click on the download icon. And that's it. You've just created a voiceover for your script. Now, once your voiceover is ready, here comes step 3, creating the visuals. Now comes the visuals, the most important part. We'll generate documentary-style images for free using one AI tool, and then we are gonna animate the same picture on the same platform. So to generate that, just go back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt to ChatGPT. In this prompt, you're basically saying that you're gonna put the scenes line by line, and ChatGPT has to create image prompts to create those scenes. Now, once you paste this prompt, ChatGPT will respond like this. So now, what you have to do, you just have to copy scenes according to your script. For example, I'm gonna first copy the first scene and I'm gonna paste it. Now ChatGPT has given me an image prompt that I can use to generate that image. But before going into image generation, we'll cover all the scenes first. For example, the second line doesn't need any pictures, since first line's picture is gonna cover the second line. Now I'm gonna copy the second scene and paste in ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT has given me a prompt for my second scene. Now do this for rest of your scenes until all of your scenes will be converted into prompts. Now, once all of your scenes are converted into prompts, just head over to Meta AI from the link in the description below. Now, once you are on Meta AI, just click on this icon and then just copy your first prompt and just paste it here. Choose the image and click on this ratio icon and select 16:9 ratio, since we are going to create it for YouTube long video. Click on aesthetics, and if you want, you can change these settings. Just click on this arrow. Now Meta AI is going to generate the picture according to your prompt. For example, Meta AI has created this image for the first scene. As you can see, it's just a picture, so now we have to animate it to make a video. Just click on this animate button under the photo. Now you can see Meta AI is currently animating our picture. Just wait a while and you can see here, first Meta AI generated picture according to our prompt, and now it has converted that picture into a video. If you want to extend the length of this video, you can literally click on the extend button. For me, it's okay, so I'm gonna just click on the download icon right at the top corner and click on save. You have just downloaded your first scene. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your second image prompt and paste it into Meta AI. And then click on enter. Now Meta AI is going to create the second scene image. Once it creates the second image, just click on animate so that your second scene will start animating. Just wait a while. Now you can see our second scene has been animated successfully. Now it's a video file. Just go to the top right corner again and click on download. Just click on save. Now you have successfully downloaded your second scene. Do this for rest of the prompts until all of your prompts will be converted to pictures, then videos. Once you convert all of your prompts into videos, just download them. Now once you download the videos for all of your scenes, here comes a crucial step, combining and editing section. Now we bring everything together, the voiceover, the visuals, the animations. This is where the documentary actually comes alive. I'll show you how to structure scenes, how long each clip should stay, and how to keep the retention. Now for this section, use any editing software. For me, I'm using CapCut. So once you are on your software, just click on this import button and import all these scenes you just created using Meta AI. And also the voiceover that you created using 11 Labs. Now once all files have been imported, just drag your voiceover to the timeline. Now listen carefully to the voiceover and adjust your clips according to the voiceover. Just adjust all the clips according to the voiceover until you fill the timeline with those clips. In our voiceover, a date has been mentioned, so instead of putting a clip there, we can actually put a text there to make it more cinematic. The clip is starting from here, so if we put an animation, that would make it more cinematic. I'm gonna use fade in and fade out for each and every clip to make it more cinematic. No flashy transitions are needed. Now do this. Now do the text and transition process for every clip and whenever there is a date or some important word is mentioned. Once you are done with all the transitions and all the text, here comes the crucial part, editing the voice. For example, in our script, there is mention of shots. Then just grab the sound effect you like and put it where the voiceover mentions it. Here comes a real kicker. Background music is what creates emotion. Too loud would be annoying and too soft will be useless. You have to choose the right background music and where to place the sound effects so it feels immersive, not dramatic for no reason. Now for me, I'm gonna go with this background music since it fits the atmosphere perfectly. Now once I put the background music, I'm gonna adjust the volume from this section. By the way guys, if you want a complete editing tutorial, do let me know in the comments below so I'll cover that up. Now let's listen to our video. Now I guess it's perfect. So once you are done with your background music, just go through your video and put sound effects whenever needed. And remember, as I told earlier, sound effects and background music can make or break your video. So choose wisely. And if you want a full tutorial on cinematic video editing, just let me know in the comments below. So once you are done with your editing, just click on export button and click on export. And finally, we export. Ready for YouTube, ready for long-term documentaries, no watermark and no quality lost. So this is my full AI documentary workflow. Simple, free and realistic. If you find this video helpful, then drop a like so more creators can see this. Subscribe to DeepMind AI if you want real AI content creation. No shortcuts and no fake promises. And if you want a part 2 where I break down storytelling and editing, let me know in the comments below. You're watching DeepMind AI and I'll see you in the next one.